Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back here at Haulover Beach. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I decided to do a bikini try on here. So what I'm trying to do, y'all, I'm already out of breath. It's so hot, but I'm trying to find a place to set up my tent and stuff, get situated, and then I'll do that try on haul for you guys, and then I will drop some exclusive content on my private link, which will be in the description box down below. Check that out and subscribe to this channel, guys. So I see you guys in just a bit. Check out this water behind me. It's so beautiful. I really enjoy coming here. Like, it's just so peaceful. Like, I can't wait to just take all my clothes off and just like relax. But anyway, let me get situated because I told you I was gonna get situated. So let me get situated, show you guys some new nice bikinis that I got, and yeah. Okay, so I got the first bikini on, but before I show it to you guys, I just want you to look at this water. It's so beautiful down here. It's super nice. Nice and wet, y'all. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys what I have on. So this is the first swimsuit or bikini that I have. The water's so cold. Okay, so I really like it. I like it and I don't like it. One, I'm gonna go ahead and say, like, on the strap, it's like clear, and it was really hard to like adjust the strap. So I'm not a fan of this. I actually got this swimsuit on Amazon, so I'm really just not happy with how it fits on my body. But the material is good material, and the color coordination is really sweet. It's giving me mermaid vibes, you guys. So take one last look. Good from the back, guys.
Good, baby.
Looks good from the back. Yeah. Alright, you guys, let me know down in the comments down below what you think. 1 out of 10, 10 being the best. And let's go on to the next look. So this is the second look, and I'm gonna go ahead and say I don't like it. I don't like the string here on the front. It's different. It's difficult to work with. And I'm not a good tire, so it don't look good. But we're going to walk by the water and see how it looks by the water. Do we change our mind when we get by the water? You know how, like, when you get by the water, the whole scenery changes, so then your outfit's supposed to look a little bit different. But overall, I can just give it like maybe like a 3 because it was tight to put on. It was like all the adjustment pieces as far as like the straps and stuff on the back is very difficult to figure out. And I just don't like it. I don't feel like it complements anything of my body. This string here is so childish. Like, dang, you think this is childish?
Yeah.
It's so childish. Like, there's nothing sexy about the outfit at all. Like, I don't even, the booty's out. The booty's out. That's the only thing about it I like, but oh well. So guys, I decided that I am not going to do the other looks because they are literally like the same material, same brand, and I ordered it from the same place. And I just don't like it. Like, I don't like how it looks on me. It's just, I feel like I'm wasting my time even doing this video this way. But next time I come back here, I will try to like do it again, but make sure I have some really good, this water's so cold, some really good pieces. But either way, y'all, look at this. It is so freaking beautiful. Like, you can't beat coming here and relaxing and being able to just take your clothes off and just chill. So yeah, I'm about to just go up here, take my clothes off. We bought us some drinks, so I'm about to tell Babe to open up some wine coolers, and y'all, let's just hang out. So I finally got to sit down and just take off my clothes and just soak in the sun. I am about to drink me a Mike and Ike's. I think this is the strawberry lemonade. That's so good. So our plans for today is just to pretty much just soak up the sun, enjoy this weather, maybe look at a few people walk around. You know, I didn't say it, you did. You know what? I know. This is like our last day here on vacation. We gotta go back home, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. I wish I could just live here. I would come to this beach every single day and just sit here and just do absolutely nothing. Like, for real, absolutely nothing. I mean, let me show y'all this view again. You can't freaking beat just sitting out here taking your clothes off and just relaxing. Like, it's just the most beautiful thing you can do. But yeah, I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of disappointed. I'm super upset that my video is not going how I planned it to go, because them outfits was fucking ugly. Like, I just knew right off the bat that I wasn't gonna like it. Like, okay, when I pulled it out of the pack, I was like, ooh, it looks so cute. It looks so cute. But as soon as I put it on, I was just like, no. Too many complications. Like, I'm so sick of shopping on Amazon. Like, I'm honestly done shopping on Amazon. I'm just gonna go back to shopping in store and just taking my time and finding what fits me, finding what I like, because obviously, you know, I'm not the skinniest person, so certain things just gotta look a certain way on me. Like, I got to take my time. I got to touch the material. Like, but yeah. Anyway, that's it. Be outside. I really like laying on the sand and just letting the sand just take over. It feels so freaking good. I'm really upset that my try-on haul is not going as planned, because that's something that I like really wanted to do. I was really looking forward to it, but laying naked in the sand feels even better. The sun, like, is literally hitting me at the right spots. So guys, since we're pretty much here, I want to go ahead and say go and click the link in my description box and subscribe to my OnlyFans. There's some dope content on there. I'm about to take some pictures, post that on there as well. You do have to pay to subscribe, so if you don't got the coins, please don't even waste your time going and clicking the link, because you're not going to see nothing unless you use your credit or debit card or whatever you guys use to pay for stuff. I don't freaking know. I'm like kind of irritated, so I'm just like rambling in this vlog because I'm pissed. I'm super pissed. Like, I hate when I waste my money. Like, I'll be trying to like buy stuff that I think will be good in videos, and then when it don't go right, it just pisses me off and mess up my entire mood. So my mood is killed.